We are going to explain you what are static block and static initializer in Java. We'll explore it. Like static block or static initializer are used to initialize static field in Java. Basically, we are using static block initializer to initialize the static field in Java. Okay. Next point is we declare static block when we want to initialize static field in our class. Okay. Whenever we want to initialize the static field, that time we are defining the static block, and static block are executed even before the constructor are executed, means before the constructor static block are get executed. Static block get executed exactly one when the class is loaded. At the time of class loading, only this particular block is get executed. So these are the features of static blocks we are using, and when to initialize. Whenever you have to require anything to initialize before the class loaded, at that time you need to initialize anything. That time you can use the static block.